I did the following two RV upgrades for less than $100. So stick around to the end of the video and I can show you how you can probably do it too. So what we have here is the VIVOR electric jack. Packaged pretty nicely. Comes with a nice little pillow. The handle, the tool to use in case the electronics goes bad on it, and the foot, and the wiring to hook it up to the battery. So I'm going to take the old one off, put this new one on, and let's hope it works. So if you watched our previous video where we installed a different jack on our old camper, you'll know that you need a 9/16 bolt for that. Replacement jacks do not come with the bolts, so keep your bolts. Another important thing is leave it hooked up or have it jacked up so that you can get it off easily. Okay, kids at home, don't put the bolts and screws in your mouth. That's not a good choice. Comes out that easy. Set it off to the side. Get the new one. Take the foot off. Be sure that your wires don't go down in with the jack. If you look here, you see it's a universal fit, so it should fit any kind of travel trailer, regular trailer. Put it on there, line up the holes. And ideally, you want the head to be straight forward. Put your bolts back in. Really like this electric jack, and it has come in handy on those hot summer days when we are setting up camp. Install number 2 was really simple to do and didn't take long. The scissor jacks were easy to install. I just used self-tapping screws and put them in. The hardest part of getting them on was finding a good camera angle. So the trick to get these for the price that I did is I added them into my cart in TEMU, and I let them sit there for about a week or so. After a while, TEMU starts sending you coupons giving you X amount of dollars off. Same thing happened with the scissor jacks that we put on the front. I'll put a link in the description below so that you could possibly get yourself a discount on TEMU also.